This is my rainbow superfood salad, and what's super about it is that it's filled with nutrient-dense veggies and ingredients that are going to make you feel good on the inside and look good on the outside. Plus, it comes with a very delicious dressing. When making this salad, I tried to pick veggies of different colors. So I'm using some butternut squash for the orange, and it's filled with beta-carotene. You can also use some carrots or sweet potatoes for that. I've got some pumpkin seeds for zinc and healthy fats and a little bit of protein. Kale is a great green vegetable for fiber and lots of vitamins and antioxidants. Make sure to give it a good massage to soften the fibers in the leaves. I like to add another type of leafy green vegetables to the salad, and then it's whatever you have, but I'm trying to kind of go for a variety of colors, especially those dark sort of purples and reds. They're going to provide lots of antioxidants and vitamins, and we're getting a lot of fiber from all those veggies. Let's build our salad. I think it's a really fun salad to make. It looks like a rainbow. It looks great on the table. That pumpkin seed crunch is so delicious with the dressing, and I hope you make it and enjoy it.